Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sewing a tiered skirt. I mentioned making the skirt in my fall sewings plan video, and I originally said I wanted to find an old t-shirt and make it out of that, but I actually made a shirt out of some nice rayon fabric and I had a lot left over, so I thought I would use the extra fabric to make this skirt. This skirt is super easy and it's only made from 4 rectangles, so it's a perfect project for a beginner. I'm excited, so let's get started. For this skirt, you'll only need 3 rectangles. The first one is going to be a waistband, which is 5 inches by your waist measurement plus 1 inch. The next is going to be another rectangle that is the length of your waist plus 7 inches. Then the side is going to be a third of your desired length of the skirt plus 1 inch. The third rectangle is going to be the length of your waist times 0.8 by a third of the desired length of your skirt plus. And the fourth rectangle is going to be the length of your waist times 1.3 by the third of the desired length of your skirt plus 1 inch. For this skirt, you will also need 1 button. First, I take my longest rectangle and sew a gathering stitch on the top edge. Then I pin the gathered edge of my longest rectangle to the edge of my second longest rectangle. Then I sew along the edge. After I sew, I removed all the gathering stitches. Now I have the 2 tiers of the skirt complete. Then I sew a gathering stitch along the top edge of my second longest rectangle. Then I pin the gathered edge of my second longest rectangle to the bottom edge of my second shortest rectangle, and then I pin in place and sew. Then I match up the sides of the skirt and sew along the side seam. Make sure to leave a couple of inches unsewn along the top of the side of the skirt. Then I hem the open edge of the side seam. Next, I sew a gathering stitch along the top edge of the skirt. Then I pin the waistband to the gathered top edge of the skirt, and I make sure that it's right side to wrong side together, making sure both right sides are facing upwards, then sew in place. Then I take the edge of the waistband and fold it in about a ½ inch. Then I take the rest of the waistband and fold it completely over towards right sides together. Then sew along the edge. Flip the waistband right side out, and now you should have a nice finished edge. Repeat this for both sides of the waistband. Fold the whole waistband over by ½ inch, then completely over on itself again, and sew along the edge of the waistband. On one of the sides of the waistband, sew a buttonhole opening. Then on the other side of the waistband, sew a button. All that's left to do now is hem the bottom of the skirt. Then to do this, you may want to try on the skirt first and hem it to your desired length. Overall, I'm very happy with the way this skirt turned out. I think it's really nice to wear for fall and sometimes summer weather, and I just love the pattern on this rayon fabric. If you enjoyed the video and or want to see more like this, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you, bye.